There is more to the electric vehicle boom than just recycling batteries. The challenge now is ensuring repairability and managing risk for insurers. How Cesvimap is tackling these challenges within the value chain.
My name is José María Cancer, and I'm the General Manager of Cesvimap. That's the Research and Development Center that belongs to MAPFRE and studies and analyzes all the risks linked to mobility. Cesvimap is acting as early warning of every new risk that comes into the market concerning mobility. So we started many years ago already taking care, but what to do with the electric vehicles and their batteries once the end of life was already there, especially when batteries are around 40% of the total value of the car, and therefore they impact very strongly in the total cost of the insurance. We try to make sure that we can repair as much as possible all the parts involved in the car, then therefore also the batteries, so we can establish an ecosystem of different stakeholders in order to make repairability of batteries a standard element as we repair many other components of the car. If insurance is cheaper, then electromobility will be cheaper, more affordable, and therefore universal for everyone.